Starting next week, the White House will distribute 400 million free N95 masks to Americans. It's the government's largest distribution of free masks since the pandemic began. WCPO 9 News reporter Madeline Ottley is at the pharmacy in Roselawn to explain the impact it could have.
The CDC says N95 and KN95 masks can offer the best protection against COVID-19. The only problem? They're often costly and hard to find.
We kind of quit even looking. A lot of the supplies just aren't available.
Roselawn pharmacy owner Jason Dorsey hasn't been able to get N95 masks from his supplier in over a year.
We've had better success getting tests in lately than we have with getting N95 masks.
But starting next week, that could change. The Biden administration will distribute 400 million N95 masks to pharmacies and community health centers across the country. They could be available late next week, and they'll be free.
N95 masks, if you can get them, are fairly expensive, and that's a rather large cost for people when they're trying to afford their medications on top of that.
Research collected before the Omicron surge found it took 27 minutes for the virus to spread between two people wearing cloth masks. When both wore surgical masks, it took 60 minutes. In N95s, it took 25 hours.
Any mask is generally better than no mask. A hospital type mask is better than a cloth mask. A well-fitting mask is the best thing that you can look for.
County health officials warned N95 should be tested to make sure they fit correctly.
The Centers for Disease Control is really recommending people wear the best mask available to you that you're willing to wear as often as possible. So we're really, if you're uncomfortable in an N95, that's probably not the right mask.
The CDC says about 60% of KN95 masks on the market are counterfeit. Experts urge you to buy them only from places you trust. County officials don't know when the new masks will arrive, but Dorsey says the initiative could have a big impact.
That'll be really helpful, I think, to have that kind of ease of access to a very effective mask.
The White House says 3 masks should be available per person, but officials have not released more specifics about the program just yet. Reporting in Roselawn, Madeline Ottley, WCPO 9 News.